And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to recreate a pencil icon in Illustrator. And let us make sure that we've got a black fill color and no stroke. I use the rectangle tool to create a rectangle. Go to view, make sure your smart guides are activated. Then select the add anchor point tool and find the perfect spot at the intersection. Your smart guides will help you. Press A for the direct selection tool and click on the anchor point, drag it to the right, select the two anchor points on the left side and drag these little circle icons inwards to create a curvature. Now activate the line segment tool, hold shift when you draw a line so that it snaps to 45-degree increments. We have to make the stroke color white. Create a second line over here and a third one on the left side. It's fine. Press V for the selection tool, select it all. Activate the shape builder tool, hold Alt, get rid of the lines that we don't need. Press V once more, select this path, go to Effect, Distort and Transform it in zigzag. Make sure Preview is activated. We will increase the ridges but decrease the size. But we will stay at corner points. And that should be fine. Press OK. You can now select it all, resize it, holding Shift and Alt, and rotate it. And here's our pencil icon created in Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.